Want to start investing in minutes? Today I'll show you every single tap to open a Trading 212 account. No guesswork, no skipped steps. So let's dive right in. Step 1, open the app and tap Open Account. Choose your country of residence. We're using Portugal, but the flow is almost identical worldwide. Next, pick your account type. Invest is for long-term investing. CFD is margin trading, higher potential gains and losses. We'll stick with invest. Enter an email and a strong password, then tap Create Account. And you're in. Now let's set the account up properly. Trading 212 now needs the usual compliance details. Fill in nationality, date of birth, tax ID, and address. You'll also answer a quick financial profile, main source of funds, estimated net worth, planned deposits, and the industry you work in. These only have to be reasonable estimates. Regulators require them to gauge suitability. A brief quiz checks your familiarity with investing terms. This helps Trading 212 filter products you shouldn't touch. Read and accept the terms and conditions. Now, verify who you are. Take a selfie and snap the front and back of your ID card or password. Upload proof of address, bank statement, utility bill, or similar. Finally, sign the W-8 It tells the US tax authorities you're not American, so your dividends aren't double taxed. And that's it. Your application is now under review. It usually takes a few hours. While you wait, you can grab a free fractional share worth up to €100. Tap the 3 lines icon in the bottom right, then click Use Promo Code and enter IITW. Hit Apply. Your bonus share unlocks as soon as you fund the account. Once Trading 212 approves you, the next step is adding funds. We got a separate detailed tutorial on depositing money step by step, another on claiming your free share, and one on investing in the S&P 500 right inside Trading 212. Links are in the description and over here on the screen. Worried about what happens if a broker collapses? We cover account protection schemes in another video. Check it out if security is on your mind. If this helped, smash the like button, subscribe for more investing guides, and drop your questions down in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy investing.